In this video, I am going to write the electron configuration for chlorine. You know that the atomic number of chlorine is 17. This means that chlorine has 17 electrons, right? So electrons are usually distributed to different sublevel. We have 4 sublevel like this. Usually we use S, P, D and F. The energy of a sublevel is very low. The energy of P is greater than S but less than D. The energy of D is greater than P but less than F. So S sublevel can have maximum 2 and P subshell or sublevel can have maximum 6 and D subshell can have maximum 10 and F sublevel can have maximum 14. Okay, so this is our first sublevel, then second, then third and then fourth, right? The energy of this sublevel is increasing in this way. However, so I will write SPDF. This is our sublevel, right? Okay, look, here we have 17 electrons, so we need to write the sublevel sequence here, right? So how to do that? We have to write like this: SS, say with me, SS, PS, PS, then DPS, DPS, then FDPS, FDPS. You have to memorize this. Say with me: SS just once, PS, PS just 2, DPS, DPS just 2, FDPS, FDPS, FDPS. This will continue. I think you have understood the sequence. So how to get this sequence? Look, we have SPDF, so consider this S. So write SS once, then consider PS, then write PS, PS, PS twice, then consider these 3 at a time. So DPS, DPS, write DPS twice, DPS, DPS, then consider this 4 subshell, FDPS. You can write the number of FDPS anytime according to your need. It will depend on the number of electrons. So chlorine has 17 electrons, so write here 2, 4, 10, 12, 12 plus 5, that gives us 17. So we don't need these sublevels. Now we have to place number. So S start from 1, then the second S must be 2 twice S, then 3S, and P start from 2P, then 3P. There is no D and F. So this is the electron configuration of chlorine, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you another method to write the electron configuration of chlorine. You know that we can write electron configuration like this: 1s, then 2s, 2p, then 3s, 3p, 3d. First energy level has 1 subshell, second energy level has 2 subshell, third energy level will have 3 subshell, and fourth energy level will have 4 subshell, and fifth energy level will have 5th subshell. But we don't, here we will get 5G, but we don't use Z. We use up to F sublevel, so we don't need to write that. 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. However, to write the electron configuration of chlorine, look, at first we have to place here 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s2. Now count 2, 4, 10, 12. After 3s2 we have here 3p. So 12 plus 5, 17. So this is the electron configuration of chlorine, right? So now I will write the noble gas. We will write this electron configuration using noble gas. So how to do that? Look, you know that we have helium, then helium, neon, right, argon, xenon. So to express this electron configuration using noble gas notation, we have to select a noble gas whose atomic number is immediately lower than chlorine. So chlorine has 17, but argon has 18. So immediately lower than means here neon. So we have to count 10 electron. This is the electron configuration of neon. So write neon in like this, and then write 3s2, 3p5. So this is the long form or longhand or ground state electron configuration of chlorine, and this is the abbreviated or shorthand or short form electron configuration of chlorine. This electron configuration also called condensed electron configuration, or you can say this is the noble gas this is the electron configuration of chlorine using noble gas. So thanks for viewing this video. Be well.